Welcome to the Wilder Blueprint. Whether you are leveraging our free resources or you have unlocked the entire system, you are here to build a dominant real estate business. We operate on strict principles here. Foundation first, diagnose before prescribe, and math before contracts. We don't guess, we execute. Let's get you oriented. To access your training, log in at wilderblueprint.com. Go to My Courses, click on your account, and select your course. This system is engineered in 3 strict phases. You will start in the Foundations tier to master the timeline and human psychology. From there, you graduate to the Core tier to learn the playbook and market players. Finally, you unlock the Vault, where we cover advanced diagnostics and elite appointment execution. As you move through this orientation, you will see each of the 12 modules displayed on screen. Each one is a complete overview of what you will master in that phase, from the foundational psychology of distressed sellers all the way through to elite appointment execution and advanced diagnostics. Study each slide. These are not decorations. This is your roadmap. Do not skip ahead. I expect you to complete 1 full module a day. Master the human side before you touch the technical side. Dedicate your morning to studying the module and your afternoon to implementation. Knowledge without execution is useless. Your success depends entirely on your daily discipline. Log in, open the Foundations tier, and let's get to work.